Alright, good morning everybody. Welcome back to the channel. As you saw yesterday, we got the car sandblasted. Now we can see all the little nicks and stuff that's going on in here. What I'm going to do, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to straighten this out a little better now that I can see everything. It's not going to be 100%, but I'm going to try to get it as close as I could to that. There's a couple little dents here in the battery tray box here that I'm going to take out. And then we're going to take the whole car off. Just leave this one section exposed, take off the bottom. Because he did all the way up under the tunnel, under the transmission tunnel, so that's all nice and clean now. After I prime it, so the plan is take it off, put it in Self-X primer. I got Prime 2-part. I'm going to put that on. I'll show you what that is. And then in these spots where we welded the towers, I'm just going to touch them up with some putty to make the seams look nice and clean. I mean, they look good, but yeah, let me show you how they look now. So they look real, they look real good. But I'm going to fill these in. I'm going to fill this in, and I'm going to just fill this in right here so it's smooth. So on both sides. And then I'm going to put some putty right over here just to clean this edge up. But this is what I got to fix. This needs to come straight out. This little spot here needs to be fixed. That's where the what do you call that? The filler panel behind the bumper gets bolted onto. I'm going to take a couple more of these little dents and stuff out. And then it's got this dent right here and here that I'm going to take out. So we'll do that and then get it taped off. I'm going to do that first, and I'm going to tape it all off and get it going here. All right, so get back to you in a minute. right, gang. So on this side,
Bring it over here.
I'm gonna bring you over to this side. We're gonna end up. We're gonna put a porta power in behind that thing and push it out. Now we gotta get something. Something in there.
Oh, a block of wood in there.
Yeah. There's
Yeah.
I got that. I need the straight one. I need that little, yeah, that one. Oh, yeah.
You just want to push that right
Yep,
here.
yep. You're gonna work that.
Right?
Right there. Go ahead. Go ahead. Keep going. Keep going. Oh yeah, here we go. Go ahead. Look, one more shot. One more shot. Stop.
That's the wood.
No, I know. Still. All right, let it out. I'm gonna go down a little bit. Right there. Go. Okay, go back up.
Right?
Yep. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go. 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 Yep. One more shot. One more. All right, stop. Let it out.
Nice. Yeah, look at that.
Now we're getting
man.
somewhere.
That's looking good.
All right, right there. Hold on. Hold on, hold on. Let it up. All right, right there.
Ready?
Yep. Right there. Right there. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go. Go. All right, stop.
Let it out.
Yep, let it out. Okay, right there. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Stop right there a minute. Oh, yes. All right, one more shot. Right there. Whew. Yeah, okay, good. Down. Go down a little bit more. Right there. Go ahead. Stop. I gotta come out a little bit. Out. Right there. Go ahead. Go, 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 go. Right. Go one. One. Stop. Tommy! It's coming out good. All right, go ahead. Down.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm gonna go down about an inch. Right. Come out a little like, yeah, like that. Let me get that angle. Go ahead. Right there.
Good.
Right there, yep.
It's
Right
not
there.
gonna go flying out, right?
No.
Alright.
Right, go ahead. Right there, stop. Yeah, go ahead. Out.
Where you going?
Right. Right there, go ahead. A little more, a little more, a little more. Right there. Okay. Looks good. Right down a little bit. Right.
Where you going? Down?
Yeah, like right there. Right there. Go ahead. Got this hump in the way. That's the problem. Go ahead. Right there, Josh. Go. A little more. That's it. Go ahead. You good? Go ahead. Right there. All right. Let it out. outside. It's got to be like that. So move it out a little bit. Watch out.
We're gonna hit this.
This has to go. This has to get the orange hammer. I gotta hit that one. Alright. So this looks good. Now I can put a plate against here. Hit that straight, and that'll straighten the inside out.
Yeah, looks good.
That's soft, right? Try that. One more. Good. That's good. Now I gotta get. Right? Try that. Perfect. Just gotta get this little dent out of here. That's it.
Good. Yep.
And then we can straighten the inside out. Where's the I just had it in my hand. All right. Okay, try that. Oh yeah. All right, good. That's good.
That's good.
Now, I gotta get this. Where's that? Give me that hammer.
Go in there and hold it. Man, that looks good. Much better.
Yeah, much better. Wow.
Much
Fill
better.
this in here and then out.
All right. Then when we cut the front clip off and put a McPherson struck front end on, you won't have to worry about all this shit. All right, so now it's got a nice sharp edge instead of round. It was round here because it got bent back so bad. So that looks good. This is nice and straight now.
Take this off.
We're good there. It's got the same gap on this side as the other side. And we're good to go. So Josh is going to start taping off the car, and I'm going to do a little bit of mud work. I'm going to be the artiste today and play around. All right, and make it look nice. And then we'll prime it off.